Designed for flexible use wherever a winch is needed to prevent accidents. The Moritz FR50 felling caterpillar is the perfect complementary work tool. The felling caterpillar is also convincing for pre-delivery work in demanding terrain and sensitive stands. In single buck, a wooden cookie is cut off a tree trunk with a 2 meters crosscut saw. The 900-46WD combines the advantages of a classic forwarder with those of a 6-wheeled machine. Its compact design with large steering and articulation angle offers optimal agility and off-road capability. Six wheels and an unparalleled drive concept make the 900-46WD sensitive and efficient. While caring for all types of ground in any terrain. Safety should be your utmost concern when cutting a tree. So you must use only the right tree cutting tools and follow safety recommendations. It will also be helpful to learn about the different tree cutting techniques to make the job easier. And if it's your first time using a chainsaw, be sure to ask for help to an experienced chainsaw user. A sawmill is a facility where logs are cut into lumber. Modern sawmills use motorized sawmills to cut logs lengthwise to make long pieces. And crosswise to length depending on standard or custom sizes. The log lies flat on a steel bed, and the motorized saw cuts the log horizontally. Along the length of the bed, by the operator manually pushing the saw. The most basic kind of sawmill consists of a chainsaw. And a customized jig, with a similar horizontal operation. The Stihl Timber Sports Series is a multi-discipline competition consisting of 6 disciplines, where the athletes have to prove their competitive ability with the axe and the saw. Arborists use proper tree care safety equipment to keep themselves protected from injury during the tree removal process. They are covered from head to foot with helmets, gloves, and boots. Arborists must also wear rugged clothing to protect themselves against debris and poisonous plant. The Stihl MS660 chainsaw is a powerful cutting tool, perfect for tree cutting. It features a virtually jerk tree starting, thanks to the Stihl Elasto Start system. Decompression valve and manual fuel pump. The HD2 polyethylene filter with pores up to 70% finer. Then textile and polyamide filters even the finest dust. In addition, it repels oil and is very easy to clean. This saw was developed for felling large diameter logs in tropical conditions. It's easy to service and repair. Saws are among the oldest known tools. Innovations made over thousands of years are still present in modern, mass-produced examples. The T540XB2 is a professional pruning chainsaw developed for arborists, landscapers, and other users looking for a high-performance machine with great ergonomics. It includes an easy-to-start, low-consumption engine, low-vibe anti-vibration technology. A magnesium crankcase that provides durability and easy starting thanks to the design and the starter. Features such as the angled front handle, the attachment point for a harness, or the single adjustable handlebar make it highly maneuverable and safe to use. It is specialized in professional pruning tasks. Whether it is pruning from the ground on a higher space, it can be used both in urban areas and residential areas. If you're trimming trees with heavy tree limbs, you have to be extra careful not to damage the bark or interfere with the tree's natural healing response. Wait until your tree is dormant in the winter to make your cuts. Pruning your tree when it's dormant gives it time to heal before threatening pests arrive. If you have particularly cold winters, wait until the coldest part of winter is over. If you are going to cut down the tree completely, the moment of the year is not as important. But it's better to find a time when most fauna is dormant, as they won't bother you.